Somebody asked me on YouTube, what does leveling up in my life mean? So I decided to make a video about it. I'll be sharing my response to that comment and also why I think we should all make leveling up an everyday thing. Hey, if you're new here, welcome to the Conscious and Chic YouTube channel. I'm Kathleen, your conscious lifestyle bestie. And if you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about why you should make leveling up part of your everyday life. And we're going to do it under 15 minutes, like a little 15-minute glow up. So let's get into it. Last coquette asked me on YouTube, and I'm paraphrasing, what does leveling up in my life mean? My answer was, love this question. In my opinion, it's not sleeping at the wheel of your own life and being intentional about everything you do. It's being in alignment with your values, being free to use your talents unapologetically. I'll say that again for the people in the back. Unapologetically. And addressing your excuses more and more. It's not letting society define who you are, but choosing authenticity every day. Leveling up is living the best life you can while navigating every situation that comes your way to the best of your abilities with God's help. It's going to look different for each person, so I create these videos to inspire you, but you should always take the advice and make it your own. So glad you're here. I love that I got this question because it really gave me the opportunity to verbalize what I say in every video, which is that this channel is all about leveling up and living on purpose. And I got to share with her what that actually means. And I want to take some time today to talk about why it's so important for you to level up. And you can do this at any time, any age. It doesn't matter. You can do it in every area of your life as long as it aligns with where you are and where you want to go. So why should you make leveling up part of your everyday life? Number one, you have one life to live. There's no time to waste when you think about how life works. It's so unpredictable. You never know what tomorrow is going to bring. And I think that as human beings, we always think we'll have more time, but that could not be furthest from the truth. I always get a little bit choked up when I share this story, and I think I may have shared it before on this channel, and I'm having a hard time sharing it. I recorded this part a few times already, but I want to say it, and I want you to get the message behind it without me rambling on. Long story short, I ran into this young lady that I knew about our age, and she was such a sweetheart, great attitude, great personality, so kind. And I remember running into her and being so happy. We just caught up a little bit and we're like, oh, we should get together, you know, while we're in the same city. Why not? This would be amazing. It was on a Saturday night. I went on my Instagram a couple days later and I kept seeing people post pictures of her in their stories. And it took me a few stories, like seeing it a few times, to actually gather that something was going on. And I came to find out that she was involved in a car accident and passed away. Needless to say that it shook me to my core that someone that was so beautiful inside and out, so full of life, so full of promise and a future, that her life got cut so short and it happened so fast. And the fact that I saw her the day before and we were making plans to get together, I was not okay. It really put into perspective for me how short life can be and that we do not know how long we have. We just don't know. And so living your life to the fullest and making sure that you're intentional about every single day, that you're not letting time just pass you by, that you're really being intentional about how you're spending it. It's so important. And I want you, as you're watching this, to know that your life is precious, that every day that you spend on this earth is a gift, and that you should make the most out of it. I've had some changes in my own life that just taught me how to appreciate life so much more. And I hope that this helps you appreciate yours as well. Number two, you should level up because self-expression is important. You have so many dreams and aspirations. You have talents and gifts. You have so many things on the inside of you, creative ideas that have yet to see the light of day. So you should focus on leveling up so you can bring these things out and express yourself. I heard this quote, and I'm sure you have too, that the richest place on earth is the graveyard, because in the graveyard, you have all the dreams and hopes and talents and gifts that were never realized. And you just don't want that to be you. So if you have something that you're really good at, I really want to encourage you to level up in that area and see where it takes you. Be bold, be confident, take a step forward in whatever it is that is in your heart. Really express yourself and leave it all on the stage. The way I almost forgot to get into this outfit, I have to give you the details. I think that skirt suits should make a comeback. Like, they need another fashion moment. This is a thrifted suit. It's a jacket and a skirt. So cute, super comfortable, a little oversized for me, which was the goal. I had to have the skirt take it in. Remember one of my videos I told you guys to make friends with a tailor because they can tailor stuff for you guys? This is one of those things, like whenever you have a skirt or something that you've thrifted that doesn't fit quite right, you can get a tailor to help you with that. I'm also wearing it with this t-shirt that says fashion is a social movement. It's I think a t-shirt by The Vision. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that it's by them, and that's the look. Let me know what you think. Number 3 is avoid being stagnant. And even worse, I will say avoid going backwards, because I believe that in life, if you're not moving forward, you're actually not standing still. You are going backwards. So leveling up in your everyday life helps you continue with that forward motion. And it's not about going fast. It's just about making progress. Something that I try to remind myself all the time is that slow progress is still progress. So in your life, when you look at maybe the way that you're eating or your career or your relationships, think about ways that you can make sure that you're always moving forward, you're always improving, always getting better, so that you don't wake up one day and you ask yourself, like, how did I get here? How did this relationship fall apart? How did I gain all this weight? Or how did I get to a place where my doctor's telling me I'm unhealthy? Those things happen often when we just stop moving forward, when we stop making progress, because we think, oh, I'm gonna coast here and I'm comfortable here and I'm gonna stay here. But no, honey.
The current is taking you backwards.
And it happens very slowly. It happens in a way that you don't even know it's happening. And the world moves so quickly. I don't know if you've noticed, especially since we have so much technology. If you don't adapt to the technology, if you don't adapt to what's happening in the world, you're gonna wake up one day and feel like you have a lot of catching up to do. Hey, real quick, I'm so glad you've been watching this video for a few minutes now, so you understand the vibes, and I want to invite you to subscribe. Also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because I post videos like this every single week, all about leveling up, glowing up, and also fashion, beauty. Love to talk about travel and food. So if this is your vibe, go ahead, subscribe. Don't be shy. Just click the button. I did a video about leveling up, all about deciding what you want in life, and also if you don't like something, that you should just change it. So I'll link this video here so you can check it out after this one. Okay, if not for anything else, you should want to level up simply because it'll make your life better in every area. It'll make your relationships better. It'll make you look better, feel better. It'll make your career go smoother. When you decide to level up, which is really living in alignment with your values, it's not sleeping at the wheel of your own life. It's using all your gifts and talents. Every area of your life benefits from that, and you just start to really enjoy where you are. But if you're feeling stuck in life, it might be because you just stopped reaching for more. You stopped trying to become the best version of yourself. And it ends today, okay? It ends today. From this day forward, just promise yourself that you're gonna level up, that you're gonna do what you can and focus on what you can control, but that you are gonna focus on getting better every day. If you're feeling stuck in life right now, I did a video about getting unstuck that I'll link here for you. I did another video about leveling up where I also mentioned as one of the tips to never stop learning. And that's another beauty of leveling up, that you can be a lifelong learner and continuously make your life better. Okay, I love this next reason. And reason number 5 is confidence. Achieving your goals, leveling up, pursuing what your heart really wants to pursue is gonna help you build confidence. I've done multiple videos on this channel about confidence, and I'll link the one where we talk about building true confidence, because it really helps you dig deep on the inside and gives you also practical ways that you can boost your confidence. And speaking of practicals, you know what? I'm going to also link the micro habits video that I did about micro habits that you can do to help boost your confidence on a daily basis. Confidence is an inside job. When you follow through and you keep your promises to yourself, your confidence will grow more and more, whether you succeed or not. It's not about the outcome, but it's about you really keeping your promises to yourself and you feeling like you can trust your own word and you don't fall out of alignment with what you've said, which is where real confidence comes from, in addition to your relationship with God. A quick PSA from future Kathleen, editing Kathleen. I want to personally invite you, if you want to level up, to subscribe to my channel and join me on this journey. I post videos like this every single week because I believe there's no limit to what you can become. There's no limit to what you can achieve. And so let's do it together. Go ahead, hit subscribe. I'll give you a couple of seconds to do it. Okay, have you done it? perfection. I can't wait to see you every single week for your dose of inspiration. Number 6 is opportunities. When you are leveling up, one thing is for sure and 2 things are for certain. 1, you're gonna get opportunities, and 2, you're gonna feel more confident to step into them. When you've been actively setting your minds on getting better, on improving, you should actually expect those opportunities to come your way and just step into them. So reason number 6 is those opportunities, baby. And when they come, don't be surprised. You can evaluate if you want to take them or not, but don't be surprised. Reason number 7 is the impact that you'll have on others. I don't know about you, but whenever I see someone going after their dreams, leveling up and trying to be the best version of themselves, I'm inspired. I am so inspired to do the same, and they're having an impact on me, whether they're somebody that is in my real life or somebody that I follow online. I get really inspired to do the same for myself. So as you are leveling up, as you're taking your life seriously, you are going to inspire others to do the same, whether they're your close friends, your family members, maybe children that look up to you, and the people who are connected to you, their lives are also going to get better. If you're a parent, your kids' lives are going to be better. If you're a spouse, your spouse's life is going to be better. You're going to be able to bless the people around you in bigger ways because you've just taken a chance on yourself and you've decided to level up your life. So it's not only about you. It starts with you, but it's really not only about you. It's about everyone who's connected to you. Before I let you go, you don't have to give you some next steps. First, you're going to decide that you're going to make leveling up a part of your everyday life. Number 2, choose an area that you want to start with. I don't think you should start with every area all at once. Just pick one that you're going to level up in. And then 3, watch the videos that I'm linking in the description box below, which are going to help you level up step by step. We love a step by step. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also in the comments, let me know which area of your life you're going to tackle first. Connect with me on social media, Conscious and Chic everywhere. And check out this video next. Is the one YouTube thinks is the best for you. Check it out and let me know if YouTube was correct. And until my next one, remember to stay conscious and chic. Bye!